Hi guys, this is Lucas from Lucas World. Today we're going to open 7 Play-Doh Surprise Eggs and 1 Kinder Surprise Egg. And here they are. First, let's start with the yellow Play-Doh Surprise Egg. Let's unwrap it, and inside we got a nice brown surprise egg. So let's crack it open and see what we get. And we got a minion from Despicable Me 2. And it's Dave, dressed like Mate. And it's Puzzle Eraser. Banana. Next is gonna be the orange Play-Doh Surprise Egg. And inside we got a yellow surprise egg. So let's crack it open and see what we get. And we got a train from Thomas and Friends. And it's Charlie. Nice, cute, tiny model. Let's align him up and open the turquoise blue surprise egg. And inside we got a nice gray surprise egg. So let's crack it open and see what else we get. And it's Hulk! Hulk smash! And it's a puzzle eraser again. You can disassemble his parts, and if you want, you can put him back together. Next, the Play-Doh Surprise Egg is wrapped in purple Play-Doh. And inside we got a nice red surprise egg. What's gonna be in this egg is Papa Smurf with 2 hats. He has a top hat and his normal red hat. And with a walking stick. So there's a top and red hat. Next, the egg is going to be wrapped in purple Play-Doh. So let's unwrap it. And inside we got another red surprise egg. What is it gonna be inside? Let's find out. And it's Boo from Monsters. There you are. And she's in her monster costume. Boo. Next egg is gonna be wrapped in pink Play-Doh. Probably something for girls. And inside we got a pink surprise egg. So let's crack it open and see what we get. And it's a bird. Is this an angry bird? No, totally not. It comes with a nest, and it looks like it's a sleepy bird. Tweet, tweet. Now let's put the bird back into the nest and let her sleep. And open the last Play-Doh Surprise Egg, which is wrapped in blue Play-Doh, with another red surprise egg inside. Let's open it, and inside we got a My Little Pony. I'm sure you girls know her name, so please write down in my comments if you know her. Now it's time to open the Kinder Surprise Egg. Ooh. Okay, let's crack it open. There's the yummy chocolate. Yum yum. And inside there's, of course, a yellow surprise egg. Now let's open it. And, ooh, what is this? Looks like you have to build it. It has wheels, so probably you can make it roll. And it looks like it's a bicycle. Or I should say stunt bike. And here are others you can collect. And I got the blue one with working wheels. Well, here are all of the surprises we got today. We got Boo, Sleepy Bird, My Little Pony, a stunt bike, Papa Smurf, Hulk Smash, Charlie, and Dave. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and click here to see some more of my videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!